This 2015 Entegra Coach Anthem 4.4 SL Quad Slide with dishwasher, washer and dryer is a Class A RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Entegra coach is 44 feet 11 inches in length and features a Galaxy interior decor, tan, brown, cream classic Noi interior, sleeps 8, stovetop burner, slide-out, awning, skylight, TV, self-contained, air conditioning, and 95 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2015 Entegra Coach Anthem 4.4 SL Quad Slide with dishwasher, washer and dryer is built on a Spartan MMGT chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.